So yes guys, that is the DIY mist, and you can see I have applied it on my face right now, and it feels really good. It's really good. So I can totally recommend this DIY mist to all of you out there. So yes, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Twinkle. So guys, ये वीडियो होने वाली है एक DIY mist के ऊपर. So guys, this is an requested video. So yes guys, I have got a lot of suggestions of yours that please make a video on DIY mist. So here I am with my new video, and so because it's an requested video, so I am really happy making this, and yeah, I am really happy. So yeah, so the first thing which I really wanted to tell you all that is I am really happy that you guys liked my previous video, which is all about before and after look of my festive makeup look. So you all liked it, and you guys really commented in a very positive way, because as I mentioned in that video that please let me know in the comment section that do you guys liked it or not, and there are many of the positive comments. I got it, and to be very honest, as in content creator, this is the bestest thing you can get from your audience, that your audience wanted more and more content like that, and your audience really motivates you in such a way, commenting so positively that you guys can make another video related to that particular topic. So yes, here I am, not related with that topic, but yes, related with the topic which you guys suggested me. So guys, for this DIY mist, we need one thing very clearly. We all know that is, so which is an empty spray bottle. So yes, जितने भी products आज हम use करने वाले हैं to make the DIY mist, those all products are really affordable. So I am really happy for that as well. So yes, and also guys, जितने भी products अभी हम use करने वाले हैं, they are like 3 to 4 products only. So yes, I am happy about that as well, that you don't need a lot of products for it. You only need 3 to 4 products only. So yes, and also guys, मैं बता दूँ कि मेजरली जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स हमें DIY मिस्ट बनाने के लिए यूज़ करने हैं, मैं बता दूँ वो सभी घर में ईजिली अवेलेबल रहते हैं. So yes guys, now without any further ado, let's start with our video. So guys, the first product is an Patanjali ka Saundarya aloe vera gel. So that is what it is written over here. So if I'll talk about this aloe vera gel, if you use this on your pimples and acne, so it really get reduced. It is really good for our skin, so definitely have this one. So guys, another product is an rose water from Dabur Gulabri, and I must say that rose water is something which is an essential thing in your skincare. Major benefit जो मैं इसका बताऊँ कि whenever we use it on our face, it felt really refreshing. So I think this is the product we all need in our skincare, especially in this DIY mist also we need it. So here it is. So इतना बड़ा पैक क्यों मैंने किया है, because as I mentioned earlier that guys, rose water is a really essential thing. So I have no clue कि मेरा कौन सा पैक है, like 5th or 6th पैक है. I have no clue about that as well. So yes, because I really use it, and I felt really good whenever I use it on my face. It felt really refreshing. So yes. So guys, our third product is an glycerin. So guys, glycerin is something which is really good for moisturizing our skin. So I must say guys, especially summers में, तो winters में, do use it if your skin gets dried. So do use it with rose water and lemon, little bit of lemon. It really affects, and I have tried it, so that is the reason I am saying guys कि glycerin is also really good for our skin. So guys, यहाँ पे मैं use कर रही हूँ Abs का glycerin, which is an herbal, perfect, smooth and 100% safe and pure. So that is what is mentioned over here. So yes, and this is of 30 or 40 rupees only. So yes guys, this is also really affordable. So yes. Guys, our fourth product, an optional product I would say, which is an essential oil, and I'll be using this from the brand called Aroma Treasures. So yes, this is also quite affordable. This is of 250 rupees. So this is also quite affordable, but this is an optional product. If you don't have it, then don't worry for it. So you can make DIY mist by using the products which I have shown you earlier. So yes guys, now let's start making this DIY mist. I must say that बहुत ही random quantity में I'm gonna add rose water into this. So guys, now I'm gonna add aloe vera gel into this. So yes. So guys, now I'm gonna add glycerin. Only 1 or 2 drops of glycerin we're gonna add. now I'm gonna add essential oil, which is an optional product, guys. That means if you don't have it, then it's totally fine, because you can make DIY mist by using other 3 products. So yes, so but if you use essential oil, that is also really good for our glowing skin. So yes, that is the reason I'm using this. Here is the essential oil, जिसकी हमें बहुत ही जिसकी गाइस हम सिर्फ 2 to 3 ड्रॉप्स हम ऐड करेंगे. सो यस, now let's just mix it. So guys, ये हो गया हमारा DIY mist ready, and this we can use it whenever we are applying makeup, or whenever we have washed our face, or whenever we are going for sleep. So you can use this at that point of time. So yes guys, that's how it looks like, and a bit greenish, so guys, let me tell you, the fragrance was amazing, and this is literally a good DIY mist I can ever say. So yes guys, amazing. So yes guys, that is the DIY mist, and you can see I have applied it on my face right now, and it feels really good. It's really good. So I can totally recommend this DIY mist to all of you out there. So yes guys, I hope you all guys enjoyed watching this video, and if yes, then do not forget to hit that like button. And also guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such type of videos. So yes guys, that's it for the video. Now I'm gonna meet you in my next video, and तब तक लिए राधे राधे. Bye guys.